we will use. We use the vegetables organizer. Two pieces of cardboard as the same size as the base. Two pieces of sponge the same size as the base. Two pieces of synthetic fiber bigger than the base by 3 centimeters. Two pieces of two different color dresses bigger than the base size by 6 centimeters. I used an orange-gray one. Two pieces of white tissue smaller than the base size. We put the cardboard piece, and on top of it the sponge, then synthetic fibers, then one of the two tissues. We glue the dress with cardboard with a glue gun. We cover with the white tissue. We do the same for the orange pillow. To cover the sides, we take two rectangles of gray and orange tissues. We take the rectangle size and add 3 centimeters for sewing. We take the size of the rectangle width and add 3 centimeters the sewing value. The perimeter of the column is 11 centimeters divided by 2, so we get 5.5 is the sewing width to locate the column. And the 1.5 centimeter in the sides. We determine the location of the base. We define the outrage and end of each column. We make openings to insert the shafts. Garment packaging using glue gun. We put holes for poles. We install the bolters. Installation of organizations. We stick thick threads on the shaft above as a place where the cat can scribble. We use the top of the column to make a small pillow. We cover the top of the entrance with a piece of largenza tissue.